I want you to wake up every single day of Ramadan, 29 or 30 days. And after you praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, الَّذِي أَحْيَانَا بَعْدَ مَا أَمَاتَنَا, the one who gave us life after death, I want you to say, what if I just woke up in Rafah? What's on my mind right now? What's in my heart right now? What is a person waking up in Rafah right now seeing? And how can I be there for them? Mark my words, they will be praying Taraweeh, even with the airstrikes. Mark my words, they will be asking questions about how to fast, even if they have nothing to break their fast with. Mark my words, they are thinking about how to find Laylatul Qadr, even though they don't know if they're going to live to see another night. And none of us truly know. But with death so imminent, they're still thinking about catching Laylatul Qadr. You are going to see the images of ibadah, of worship coming out of Gaza. This will be a different Ramadan for them, and it has to be a different Ramadan for us too.